Hi, my name is Luis Cisneros and I'm an sculptor in installation here at OCAD University, and so far I'm having a great time. This is my first year at OCAD and I'm learning a lot, I'm exploring a lot, and I'm having so much fun. One of the things that I like in my work to do it is not only layers but also a lot of details and symbolism, and that's one of the things that I like to explore also in my work, just have like different ways to represent symbology of my background that in Mexico, but also Canadian symbolism too. One of the things that I like to also think of my work, it is explore the color and how the color will translate it, not just into the work, but I like as representation of my background, representation of where I live and what is happening right now in my life. What I'm working on this project, it is self-representation, and in this class the main goal it is just is issues of representation and trying to understand how do you represent yourself and how do you also want to other people to think about you. The cool about this project, it is I'm taking a perspective in terms of like a sculpture into painting. So there's going to be like 3 layers that I'm going to be representing myself in different stages of my life. And this is what interests me also about OCAD, that you can also explore yourself in different ways. It is not linear, it is not only one thing that it is about just taking a sculpture, but also it could be expressed in different ways, and in this case it will be painting, but in a 3-dimensional way. So that is other material that I have never experienced before, so that's going to be really cool to explore. And it was one of the interesting things about being an OCAD, that you can explore different ways to be creative and different materials that you can experiment. When you find a place where you can be yourself, you can express yourself as whatever, the way that you want, without any limits, that's where you find your place.